The hidden journey of 3 ancient leaves inside your body. Some stories begin with a discovery in a laboratory. Others begin around a quiet cooking pot. For generations across parts of Africa, families have simmered scentleaf, bitterleaf, and sandpaperleaf in water, sharing the drink as part of daily life and traditional practices. The recipe has been passed from one generation to the next. Not because science has answered every question about it, but because people have long valued these plants. Today, scientists are taking a closer look at the natural compounds they contain. Some early studies have revealed intriguing biological activity, while many questions remain unanswered. This is not the story of a miracle drink. It is the story of an extraordinary human body meeting an extraordinary collection of plant molecules. And that journey begins with a single sip. As the warm liquid passes through your mouth and down your esophagus, an invisible transformation begins. The liquid itself is mostly water, but carried within it are countless dissolved plant compounds, tiny molecules shaped by nature over millions of years. Your stomach does not recognize tradition or folklore. It responds only to chemistry. Powerful digestive acids and enzymes begin separating these compounds from the liquid around them. Some molecules remain unchanged. Others are altered before continuing their journey. From here, everything depends on one remarkable system, your digestive tract. It will decide what enters your bloodstream and what quietly leaves your body. Deep inside your small intestine lies one of the most efficient biological filters ever created. Millions of microscopic finger-like structures, called villi, dramatically increase the surface area available for absorption. Together, they create an interface where nutrients and other compounds can move from the digestive tract into the bloodstream. Not every molecule makes the journey. Some are absorbed, others continue through the digestive system and are eventually eliminated. This careful selection is part of your body's natural balance. The compounds found in scentleaf, bitterleaf, and sandpaperleaf are no exception. Their fate depends on their chemical properties, how they are processed during digestion, and how your body responds to them. The journey is only beginning. Every drop that passes through your intestinal wall enters one of the busiest crossroads in the human body. Instead of traveling straight to the rest of your cells, many absorbed compounds first arrive at the liver, a remarkable organ that quietly processes almost everything you eat and drink. Think of the liver as an expert chemist. It examines nutrients, medicines, and naturally occurring plant compounds. Transforming some into forms the body can use more easily while preparing others for removal. This process helps maintain balance inside your body. The compounds found in scentleaf, bitterleaf, and sandpaperleaf are treated just like compounds from any other food or herb. Their chemical structures influence how they are absorbed, transformed, and eventually eliminated. Your body is not searching for miracles. It is searching for balance. At first glance, the scentleaf appears simple, but inside its green tissue is a remarkable collection of naturally occurring compounds. Scientists have identified aromatic oils, polyphenol, and antioxidant molecules that help protect the plant in its natural environment. Some laboratory and animal studies have found that certain compounds from scentleaf show antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory activity under controlled conditions. These findings are encouraging, but laboratory results do not automatically predict the same effects in people. Human biology is far more complex. That is why researchers continue studying how these compounds are absorbed, how they are metabolized, and what role they may play as part of an overall healthy diet. Sometimes, the greatest scientific discoveries begin with a simple observation from nature. Why is bitter leaf so bitter? The answer lies in its chemistry. Its distinctive flavor comes from naturally occurring compounds, including flavonoids and sesquiterpene lactones, molecules that help the plant survive in its environment. Researchers have investigated these compounds for their antioxidant properties and for how they interact with biological processes in laboratory and preclinical studies. Scientists are particularly interested in understanding how these molecules behave after digestion, how they are modified by the liver, and how they influence cellular signaling. But there is an important distinction. Studying a compound is not the same as proving a medical benefit. Science moves forward through careful testing, repeated experiments, and well-designed human clinical studies. Each discovery adds another piece to a much larger puzzle, and that puzzle is still being assembled. The third leaf in this story is perhaps the most mysterious. Sandpaper leaf has been part of traditional practices in several African communities for generations. Its rough surface is easy to recognize, but what lies inside is far less obvious.